Hello, my name is Juliet, and today we're going to make a very simple recipe from this little recipe book entitled Plain Biscuits. These are not really very plain in real terms, like a rich tea or a modern day equivalent, so are well worth trying out, particularly for any beginners to home baking. We can see that for this recipe, there is not that many ingredients. 6 ounces or about 170 grams of plain flour, 2 ounces or about 60 grams of castor sugar, 1 ounce or 30 grams of butter, 1 egg yolk, and lastly, 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to add one more ingredient which is not specified in the recipe, but someone has just added on it. We've got a handful of currants. Let's start things off by beating the egg yolk and the milk. Now, let's add the sugar and slightly melted butter. Now I'm adding in the flour. And we're going to mix it in. And finally, in with the currants and stir them in. We need to flour our work surface. And we'll just give it a little bit of stir. And we're going to squeeze it out. You don't have to do it perfectly. You can do it on your way of doing it. Just squeeze it nice.
3.
Squeeze it nice and firm. Gathering all the bits. I'm going to take now the rolling pin, and then we're going to roll the dough, the mixture out nice and thin. Okay? This. This is done. And then we will use a circular fluttered cutter to cut the biscuits. Whilst you could use a buttered tin for your biscuits, I prefer to use a greased baking paper so that it will be easy to remove the biscuits. Now we're ready to put the biscuits on the tray. You can also use a palette knife to pick up the biscuit. Here we go, one tray of biscuits. We will use the middle shelf in a moderate oven, right over here, set to a gas mark 6 or 200 degrees centigrade or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The biscuits will cook quickly as they are very thin. This will take around 10 to 12 minutes, so keep a close eye on them. In this particular oven, we will turn it at around the 7-minute mark. Now it's time to turn it around. It looks like they're done, so we can take them out as they have already turned to brown. Place them on a wire rack to cool. Some of them look like they're overdone, but that's absolutely fine. So now we're going to take each one of them to the wire rack to cool. There you go. We have now done the plain biscuits in this little Victorian recipe book. Thanks for watching.